Cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMB, is the afterglow of the Big Bang. It's a faint radiation filling the universe. CMB was discovered in 1964 by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson. It is incredibly uniform with slight temperature variations. These variations contain vital information about the early universe. CMB helps confirm the Big Bang theory. It reveals the universe's age of about 13.8 billion years. CMB's temperature is just 2.7 degrees above absolute zero. It's a snapshot of the universe's infancy, and its study deepens our understanding of cosmic evolution.